Namaste, I'm Sunneet and today we're here to discuss hair falling. Sometimes hair falls due to natural reasons as we age. Sometimes it happens unnaturally because of some disorders or imbalances in our body or nutritional deficiencies. So we're here to discuss all of that in detail. So first of all, what is hair fall? What is the definition of hair fall? So every hair strand in our scalp and in our head has a lifespan of 2 to 5 years. That is normal, and the hair goes through the growth phase and then the rest phase, then the decline phase. However, sometimes due to our lifestyle, due to our circumstances, or due to some diseases which we get affected by, the hair decline phase becomes more apparent and hair fall becomes a lot. So the causes for hair fall could be heredity, it could be age related, it could be illnesses like thyroid, anemia or autoimmune disorders. Alopecia areata is a case of autoimmune disorder. It could also be due to nutritional deficiencies, like if you're not taking enough protein or iron in your diet. It could also be stress related, insufficient sleep, or it could be the products which you use on your hair, or if you're pulling your hair a lot, if you always tie your hair in a tight ponytail, that could be damaging your hair, or tight hairstyles, or the products which you use on your hair, if they are chemical laden, if they are toxic, if they are not suiting your hair type, if they are not meant for your hair type, that could also result in hair loss. So now we'll come to the natural remedies part. What can we do naturally to help us if we are suffering from hair loss? First of all, if your diet is inadequate, please ensure that you add more proteins, more iron into your diet. So more green smoothies, more tofu, lentils, sprouts, raw foods, that is imperative. If your sleep is insufficient, please ensure that you sleep for 8 to 9 hours a day. That really has a very big impact on our hair strength. And if you smoke, you shouldn't do that. You should consider quitting it. Then in terms of diet, you should incorporate amla in your diet. So amla will soon be in the market due to the oncoming winter season. So add amla juice or amla murabba in your diet. Apply coconut oil to your hair on a weekly basis. Coconut oil in summers, mustard oil in winters, but weekly oiling is a must. And then you should have more onion in your diet. You should intake onion, as well as you should apply onion juice on your hair. Have curry leaves chutney, that is very good. You can have it with every meal. Make fermented rice water, apply that on your scalp. You can do it once a week. Give yourself a nice massage, scalp massage at bedtime. Comb your hair with neem comb. If you're using a brush, don't use a plastic brush, use a soft bristles brush. So all of these natural remedies will help you with combating hair fall. Do try these out and see which one works best for you, and do share your experiences in the comment section below, and do consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.